Isaiah, should we help those kids in Uganda?
Yeah.
What's the bad guy's name?
It's called...
What's his last name?
I think he's the bad guy because...
What's his name?
Toby Daddy.
Joseph
Kony.
Kony. And should we help those kids?
Yeah.
Because what does he do, that bad guy?
He takes kids from their parents.
That's bad, huh?
Yeah. But we have to help those kids. We have to look at them and we have to talk to each other.
Talk to each other?
Yeah.
Okay.
Me and the bad guy have to talk to each other before.
No, we have to arrest him because he likes to kidnap little kids. Boys and girls, right?
Yeah.
That's not good, huh?
Yeah.
So say Kony 2012.
Kony 2012.
Say spread the word.
Spread the word.
Let's go get that guy.
Let's go get that guy.
All right. And say God bless everybody.
God bless.